In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OTG to iPhone 12, 13, or iPhone 14. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up your iPhone regardless of the model, so you will be able to connect an OTG cable and transfer files or do whatever you wish with other devices. So first, go over to the settings and access the Face ID and passcode settings. Inside, you will be able to enable USB accessories. Doing this will ensure that the OTG will remain connected and you will be able to use it fully without any issues. So once this is done, you will be able to purchase the corresponding adapter. So most likely, you will have a lightning port on your iPhone. So all that you have to do is use a lightning to USB adapter, for example. This will allow you to connect a USB drive or even an SD card reader to your iPhone's lightning port. So plug one end of the adapter into the iPhone, either the iPhone 12, iPhone 13, or iPhone 14, and then you will be able to use the other end and plug in a flash drive, an SD card reader, or whatever it is that you are using. Immediately upon plugging the adapter with the other device at the other end, you will be able to open the Files application on your iPhone and you will have access to all of the files inside of that drive. You will be able to copy them, delete them, transfer them over to your iPhone, and everything will be available to you. There might be some limitations in terms of the file transfer speed, but regardless, as long as you purchase this suitable adapter and you connect it to your iPhone, you will be able to open the Files application and transfer everything from there. You can also try using some sort of specified app on the App Store that allows you to do this file transfer with ease, but you can manually do it by opening the Files app. You don't need to download any additional applications to get this process done on your iPhone, regardless of the model. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect OTG to iPhone 12, iPhone 13, or iPhone 14. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.